MOUs are going to be signed. So how do you see this bilateral cooperation, particularly in the wake of as Pakistan is focusing a lot at trade, economy and investments, particularly the foreign direct investments?
The significance of the visit is reflected that we are having a live program on the subject. Yes, this visit is very important in the sense that UAE is always considered as the second home for Pakistan. Until very recently, we were playing our cricket matches as a home ground,
of course,
home series. So the visit is very significant because at the moment we are actually short of a lot of funds on the projects that we've already started, and the present interim government is trying very hard to get them back on track, and maybe if they are able to complete it within their tenure, they would love to do that. In the same context, UAE can be a great help as far as the direct investment is concerned, because they have surplus funds available and they want to diversify their own economy, and they can do best by investing in nearby states like Pakistan, where the opportunities are available in abundance, starting from mining, port shipping, railway, airways, airlines. I mean, Emirates would love to have cooperation with the PIA and revive it. Then tourism is one sector in which UAE has always been eyeing, because UAE being the hub of two of the largest and the best airlines of the region, that is Emirates and Etihad. So they can bring in a lot of people to the hub and then fly them into Pakistan, because they are flying to some 6-7 cities of Pakistan.
If we just go through the bilaterals between Pakistan and UAE, how both countries supplement each other with the different sort of expertise, like if UAE has the investments, then Pakistan has the expertise in agriculture and all that. So UAE requires food security, Pakistan wants investments in the country and also the food security. So how both countries can complement and supplement each other?
UAE and Pakistan have a very long history of cooperation in trade and investment, trade and commerce, and UAE has always backed up Pakistan in times of difficulty, like Saudi Arabia and China. So I'm very keen at looking at the investment in defense production as well. Why? Because Dubai organizes Dubai air shows, and where Pakistan showcases, the depot was there, and all our aircraft were there displaying and getting a lot of applause. So I'm very keen on that sector. Secondly, as you pointed out, the agriculture, because they are the net food importers and they import the food from all over the world, and we have alhamdulillah surplus agriculture land, which now the institution is looking after, the corporate agriculture farming, and the expectation is that very soon we will be able to have surplus veggies and fruits that will be able to export to UAE. Likewise, in olives, there is a huge consumption of olives in all Arab countries, and Pakistan, inshallah, from 2024 onwards will become a olive exporter country.